includes admission to the amusement park and unlimited use of all of our attractions except Pan for Gold and arcade games. Prices are $16.90.
Filmar det hela dagen? Var den inte det?
Sen har du korkskruvande.
Right here. What's your name? He said his name was Dudley. Well, Dudley, I'm glad to meet you. Now, before Dudley can become a lifeguard, he's got to take a few basic lifeguard tests. We often know that lifeguards have to get into the water and check for sharks. So you want to do that right now? No, I didn't say blow bubbles. I said look for sharks. So why don't you hop on in there? What do you mean you can't? You broke your flipper. That's not very brave. You hop on in there. And I tell you what, why don't you check out that far corner back there, see if you see anything kind of swimming around. Uh-oh, wait a minute, Dudley, I think I just saw something. I had no idea. Isn't that right? Is that right? Yeah, he said that was right. Well, I tell you what, I think it is time to get back to the lifeguard test, so why don't you wave by to this section? There you go, and I tell you what, I'll meet you back over at your seat if you want to kind of hit the water. Yeah, go on, see. There we go. Now the next test I'm going to be asking Dudley to do is one to see how well he can get along with others. What it is going to be a ring toss or ring throw. Basically, all I want Dudley to do is catch 3 rings. Now tell you what, big guy, for each ring you catch, I'll give you a fish, okay? Yeah, that's a good deal. I thought so too. Here's the first one. You ready? That was a nice, easy one. I'm going to back up a little bit for this one. Here you go, Dudley. There you go. Now I'm going to make this one really difficult. Hopefully I can throw this as well as he's been catching. So Dudley, pay attention. Dudley. Dudley, there we go. Oh, that was a good catch. Yeah, I thought he did pretty good on that one too. All right, here we go. There's 1 and 2. And 1 more, just like I promised. Now Dudley's last but most important test is going to be one of coordination. Now Dudley, I want you to really concentrate on what you're going to do this time. All right, you ready? Let's take it away. Right now I'm going to introduce the girls to you separately. This way you'll be able to tell them apart throughout our show. Now Soda, she's the baby of the 2. She always stations to my left side. Now, she's only 10 years old, and she weighs right at 350 pounds. Yeah, you give them a hammer. Solo high jump is not what we call a normal high jump. See, Instead, it's a mouth job, which means Happy gets to come up here and take this fish out of my mouth. Yeah, it only took Happy right around 2 weeks to learn how to do this. Took my boss almost 2 years to convince me to put a fish in my mouth, let me tell you. Oh, me. Okay, looks like she's getting ready. You need to move out of her way or you're going to get a headache. Yes, you are. All right, Happy. Now, this is going to be a good time if you'd like to take a picture because all you have to do is just kind of focus on the fish that's dangling out of my mouth. Except if Happy should jump just a little bit too high, you'll get a real good picture of a dolphin embedded in my face. So I'm going to keep my fingers crossed. Made me a very lonely girl out in this park, let me tell you. I have no boyfriends, but about 10 cats follow me home every night to keep me company. I tell you what, after something like that, how would somebody like to kind of come down here and help me out and gain volunteer? Okay, let me tell you what I'm looking for first of all. See, I'm looking for somebody about this tall, real nice looking, and has lots of money. No, I'm just joking, but I do need an adult. I gotta have a big person. Okay, this lady right here in the green. What's your name? Huh? Wait a minute, I can't hear you. Be quiet. What's your name? Kim. Hi, Kim. Kim, what you need to do is kind of be straight across from me, Kim. Kim, now you're gonna get to meet the dolphin face to face, all right? Okay, what you need to do is kind of kneel down like I am. Now put both hands on the side of the tank. There you go. Now on the count of 3, I want you to put your face in the water, all right? Here we go. Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2. Kim. Water face contact, just like that. Ready? Yeah, in the, no, face. No, you're not going to do that. I was just joking anyway. Would you believe some people do it though? No, they do, and we laugh. It's so funny. Now, Kim, what's really going to happen is, see, they're going to bring you this rope hurdle. So if you'll just kind of hold one hand straight out over the water, just like I have mine, I'm going to reach back here and untangle this a little bit and hand it to Happy. What happened to her? What are you doing? Happy? Oh, Kim. I am sorry. They're not supposed to do that. Girl, I don't know what came over those two. I tell you what, I will punish them for that. Yeah, I will. Yes, you're going to get punished too. Bad dolphins. Bad. Sometimes you just got to get tough with them like that. Kim, they'll probably never do it again now. No. I think they've learned their lesson. Kim, I promise they're going to do it this time. So, what you need to do is put one hand in the water. Yeah, just one hand. Now, wiggle those fingers around, make them look like fish. Happy attack! Kim, if you'll kind of stand up, walk straight up those yellow steps behind you, stretch out the rope. We're going to do a double rope hurdle jump right now. Not too impressed by that one, huh? Well, I'll tell you what. If Kim's not getting too tired, you're not too tired, are you? You look a little sweaty, though. Well, you raise it all the way up. We'll have to try it again. There you go. Now, before I let them take off, Kim, I need to tell you something. Sometimes when the rope's all the way high like that, for some reason they tend to land on it real hard. Yeah, but you don't have to worry about falling into our water. No, you don't. Because see, that wall's going to stop you right there. She's trying to tell the punchlines. Will you be quiet? Let me talk first. All right, looks like the girls are ready, Kim. All right, take off. out of the water for you with another double jump. So this is going to be a crisscross hoop jump, and it is a real good time if you'd like to take a picture. Matter of fact, I'm even going to give you a countdown from 3 in which to hit the shutter release on your camera. Okay, the girls are in place. I am too. Would you believe it only took us about 2 months to teach Adam how to do that? You did good. You got a fan club. All right, let's let the girls are ready. All right, get your cameras ready. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Adam. You want to fish? Oh, let's see. I tell you what, it is time for me to have an... There we go. Okay, looks like they're in place. So why don't you go ahead and pet Soda? This is Soda. She loves that. Now that's her blowhole. That's her nose. Now don't stick your finger in her nose, all right? Okay, now you can come over here and pet Happy. She's the one that bites. He's brave. No, she really likes it too. Okay, they're going to kind of splash back down into the water. Brian, if you walk right up here with me, I'm going to give them a fish for coming up here. Let's see, we're going to give Soda a couple. We'll give Happy a few too. And I tell you what, Brian, for helping me out and doing such a great job, this one's yours. Yeah. You can just go back and give it to your mother. Yeah. Yeah. No, okay, you don't want to give it to your mom. Well, then squeeze it real hard. Watch that, Spagale. That's fun to do, isn't it? No. All right, do you want to feed Soda? Yeah, you know which one Soda is? No, she's the gray one. She's the one right here, right in front of you. So hold on to it just like that. Hold it straight out of the water. She's just going to come up here and rip it out of your hand, just like that. Hang on to it. Good job. Yeah. Oh, did you get some fish on you? Yeah, you can just kind of wipe it off on your pants. Yeah. There you go. Oh, now stop it. That's what I do. Give Brian a great big hand. You did such a good job. Right now is the time for you just kind of sit back, relax, enjoy yourself. I'm going to get the girls up and out of the water some more, show you their real strength and beauty, and we're even going to turn up the music for you.